Hello everyone, welcome to TC Graphics. I am your mentor Tanveer. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background from messy hair. So let's get started. First, open the image that you want to change and then place the new background image on this. There are two ways to place the image. Either you can drag and drop or you can copy Ctrl C and paste Ctrl B. Now press Ctrl D to scale the image like this. Then you have to take the duplicate layer of the background. To make duplicate layer, press Ctrl J. Now move the layer on the top. Then go to select and choose select and mask. In the properties panel, select view to your preference. In this case, I would like to recommend you onion skin. Select the transparency 50%. Then click on the select subject. Now click on the refine here. After this, scroll down and check the contaminant color to fix any color fringing. Now select new layer with layer mask and then OK. After all this, you can delete this background copy layer because we don't require it any longer. Then right click on the layer 1 and convert to a smart object. Then go to filter, blur and Gaussian blur to blur the new background layer and then press OK. At the last, we will adjust color between background and photo. Make sure your photo layer is select. For this, you will take adjustment layer, color balance and mix it well like this. That's it, before and after. I hope you like the video, and if you like the video then please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comments. Thanks for watching.